How to change location in Tantan. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change location in Tantan. The first thing to do is to open the Tantan application. Then once you open the Tantan application, you'll be directed to the home page. Okay. Now, once you're on this home page, you would click on the me icon located by the left side of the screen. That is the lower left side of the screen. For you to identify this main icon, you would see your profile picture. Okay, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the profile page, and there by the right side, the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the settings icon. Click on it. Now once you click on it, you will see discovery settings. Then under discovery settings, you would see location, customize location. So just click on customize location. So once you do that and your location settings is turned on, once your location settings is turned on and you've connected it to Tantan, automatically Tantan will pick your current location. All right. So if you've not done that, ensure you put on your location settings and also ensure you connect it to Tantan. Then once that is done, if you want to add another location, all you need to do is to click on add roaming location located at the lower part of the screen. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the map, and then on the map you can go ahead to select the location that you want to select. Once you've gotten it, just click on add located by the right top right corner of the screen. If you cannot find the location you're looking for on the map, all you need to do is to enter the search words into the search icon. A search icon located also at the top right corner of the screen next to add. So in this search icon, you can just type in the location, and then you would be taken to the location, and all you need to do once you've got to the location, just click on add. And once you add, it will be added to your location, and from there you can easily change your location by just clicking on it. Currently I'm having a poor internet connection, that is why it is not connecting. But for you, once you click on it, click on the box next to the location you just added. The location will be changed automatically. Thanks for watching.